Fette Compacting. Be efficient.
Hi, my name is Carmen, and today I would like to show you our new EasyCare process. Our customers often ask us how to handle tabletting tools correctly. EasyCare from Fette Compacting is our answer. Let's have a look how safe and easy it is to clean, polish and store tabletting tools, thanks to automated help and our patented Try Easy toolbox system. Daily tablet production demands a lot of required tools and need to cover a long distance. This gives higher risk of damage to these sensitive and key tabletting components. With the Try Easy toolbox system, you get a proved user-friendly solution for optimal transport and storage and cleaning. Our Try Easy trays with defined positions for punches, segments, dies, bellows and dust caps make it easy to carry tabletting tools to a Runa cleaning machine, which enables GMP-compliant cleaning, preservation and drying in one machine, and including specially developed wash racks for Try Easy trays. After cleaning, we recommend mechanical polishing of the tools. This ensures that the tools and surface are even for improved efficiency and maximum productivity. An automatic polishing machine enables a consistent polishing results over the whole punch set. The part-side tool management system offers an easy and reliable system-supported management of tools and machine parts. It provides information on tool status and availability for reliable tablet production. Use the possibility to make the handling safe and easy with EasyCare from Fette Compacting.
Fette Compacting. Be efficient.